In this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Binance. For that, first of all, launch your Bybit mobile application. Then by default, you will be on the home page, but tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, among the given options on this page, you need to select the withdraw option because we want to send our USDT from Bybit to Binance. Now you need to use the search bar in the top and search for USDT. Once you are able to find it, tap on its icon until you land on this on-chain page. Now here it will ask you to provide the withdrawal address. So in order to get the address, you need to simply launch your Binance mobile application. Now on the home page, tap on the add funds option and select the deposit crypto option. Now use the search bar in the top and search for USDT. Here you just have to select any of the networks of your choice based upon the estimated arrival time as well as the network fee. So you just have to select the network and it will show you the QR code as well as the deposit address. So you just have to copy the address from here, then come back to your Bybit account and paste the address in this section of the address section. In the network, you need to select the same network that you have selected in your Binance account. After that, in the amount, enter the amount of USDT that you want to basically send. After that, it will show you the USDT as a fees that you need to pay, and once you are okay with it, tap on the withdraw option in the bottom right hand corner. On the next page, you just have to review the information like the network, like the address and the amount that you have entered. So you just have to basically review every information, and once you are certain that everything is correct, tap on the confirm option. This way your transaction will be initiated and confirmed, and once it is processed and confirmed successfully, you will receive your USDT from the Bybit account to your Binance account. So thanks for watching this video. I see you next time.